let's add our breakfast strips. Did you hear that sizzle? Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing this Mainstays 20-inch griddle. If you are looking for an affordable and compact grill for your kitchen, stay tuned to see if this could be the perfect fit for you. So we have this amazing box here, and there are some details on the box like adjustable temperature control, heat setting up to 400 Fahrenheit, non-stick. It is also dishwasher safe, and the size is like 20 inches by 10 inches. Cooking surface, removable control and slide out dripping tray, and the power is 1500 watt, which is very good. And it also comes with 1 year limited warranty. So it's all sealed and wrapped. So I'm just gonna use my knife and I'm just removing all the seal. Okay, let's start by opening up the box and seeing what we got inside. And here we have the lid for the box. I'm gonna open it, and it is very nicely packed with all this amazing packaging, and it's like kind of heavy, so I am just trying to take this out. Okay, here is our beautiful griddle. It's 20 inches electric griddle. Again, it was all beautifully packed in this cardboard. So here it is how it looks like. So I'm just taking everything out, and here is the plug-in wire. We will use it for later. I will unbox it and I will share you my review, how if I like it or not. So first I am just taking everything out, all the packaging. So here we got the wire and plug-in to put it to the wall socket, and it has this kind of plug-in, and here are all the temperatures. So this one is on right now on the off setting, and here are all the temperatures. It starts from 150 to 400, and you can just rotate it simply, and that's how it looks like. So here is the booklet, and if you're trying the griddle for the first time, so it's very handy to read out all the instructions. So I'm just gonna put it away right now, and I'm just gonna take this wrapper out of this. So that's how it looks like. Very nice surface. The surface is just so good, and it is also dishwasher safe. So when you use it, and if you're cleaning it, so it's easy to put it on in the dishwasher, and it's all ready to use for the next time. Alright guys, so let's have a closer look to our griddle itself. So it looks really pretty straightforward, and it also has very sleek black design and feels very sturdy. And at 20 inches it offers a nice cooking surface that perfect for small meals or feeding a couple of people. And it's lightweight and seems easy to store, which is great if you are short on space. So that's how it looks like from the sideways. Okay, so some standout features include non-stick cooking surface for easy cleanup, and the temperature control knob this thing, and adjustable heating element, and the cooking surface is evenly heated, which should ensure consistent result while cooking. So now fire this up, and I will make some yummy pancakes, and we will also make chicken strips on it, bacon strips on it. So we will try these things on it, and we will see how this is gonna work. While I'm doing all the preparations, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also if you like my video. Okay, now let's just plug this in. It's very easy and it's very simple to do. Yeah, it's already plugged it in. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this wire into the wall socket. After plug it in, you will see a small indicator light here, which is telling us that this device is turned on, and you can also adjust your temperature. So I am right now adjusting my temperature onto 200. I'm not doing a lot, but it's giving me option for up to 400, but I'm just adjusting between 200 to 250, and I will cook on this surface. And one thing I forgot to mention, you guys, it also comes with this dripping tray. Here is the dripping tray that comes out easily like this, and you can wash it, reuse it again for your cooking. So I already plug it in, and it's preheating right now, and meanwhile I'm just preparing my pancakes mixture. Okay guys, so it's already preheated, and my mixture for pancake is also ready. So I'm cooking my pancakes here. So let's test the griddle ability to handle the breakfast food. So just pour a little bit of batter for yummy pancakes. like this. Okay, now I'm going to add breakfast strips to check if they are grilling properly or not. So let's add our breakfast strips. Did you hear that sizzle? I am loving that. Okay guys, they are looking amazing and they are also smelling so good. So now it's time to flip our pancakes. Oh my god, they turned out so good and so perfect. And thanks to the non-stick surface, the flipping was so fun and so easy. Okay, it's time to flip our breakfast strips. So it is super easy to cook them on this griddle. And if there is any excessive oil, it will go straight to that dripping tray. It's super easy and super handy. The best thing I like about this griddle is it's very easy to clean up. Just do a little wipe and it's all good. The non-stick surface for this griddle is just so good. So overall, the Mainstays 20 inches griddle is an affordable and practical option for those looking for a compact grill for everyday cooking. It heats up quickly and cooks evenly, cleans up easy, and if you're in the market for a no frills, reliable griddle, this could be a solid choice. So these pancakes turned out so good and flipping them is a piece of cake. Thank you for watching guys. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more product reviews, and if you have tried this griddle or have any questions, please write them in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next review. Till then, take care. Bye bye.